Before you watch the video, be sure to subscribe my channel for more videos. People say we should never travel long nights alone, but many people make this journey every day, and sometimes during this time, they also see some strange things. I will show you today in this video some of the similar incidents of people. The first case is from La Union, a city in the Philippines. The people of the city claim that they see a woman on the streets at night, tries to harm people by stopping their vehicles. She is named White Lady. Now you watch this video. This video was captured by this woman at 2 o'clock at night. She noticed in front of her a woman sitting in the back of the car in a very strange way. Surprisingly, the driver of the car did not even know who the woman was behind his car and how she got there. The video went viral in the Philippines, and the White Lady's story resurfaced after this video, which people can see on the streets of this city at night. In 2014 in Russia, people saw very strange thing on road in the middle of the night. It was about 8 o'clock and there were cars on the highway. Suddenly people saw the change of color as if there was an explosion in the sky. It all happened for seconds and then everything was normal, means it was completely dark again. The Russian government says they have no knowledge of what happened that night. If it was an explosion, there would be a loud bang. And why would it happen only for few seconds? However, this incident is still a mystery. In Japan, a dash cam of a truck captured a very strange thing. A girl suddenly appears on the main highway. She was crossing the road like there was no traffic on the road at all. It even felt as if a truck had passed through her, and this girl doesn't even care. It was not clear who the girl was. In 2017 in America, two friends were driving and saw someone sitting on the middle of the road. The time was around 9:30 in the evening. It looked like a kid or something, but they did not dare to take the car forward, so they reversed the vehicle. The incident was also reported by several news channels. Another strange thing was that they felt if someone had hit their car. His check engine light was on, while his engine had no problem. Sometimes things can get worse. In Brazil, it can be seen that several people are trying to rob truck by blocking their way on the main highway. They threw tree branches on the highway. Also, they were throwing stones on anybody crossing the road. He was lucky as they could not open his truck's door. He immediately drove off from the place, and his dash cam recording this strange and creepy thing. This video is from Canada, where a man was driving at night and his path was forgotten. His eyes fell on a strange walking creature in front of him. Was it a strange animal or something else? This cannot be said correctly. It can be seen that it has no hair on its body and it's walking on its knees through the forest. Whatever it is, this video is too much creepy. On the night of October 2019, an American YouTuber was driving home in his car. His channel name is Rocco Films. While driving, he saw two clowns standing on the road. You may know that in America, robbers try to rob and scare people by wearing clowns' clothes. These were probably the same people. Clowns began to move towards him, and the driver was probably confused that what to do now. And clowns were also holding sticks in their hands. Before they could attack him, he quickly drove off his car, but he may never forget this experience. The next video is from Saudi Arabia, which was recorded from a car dash camera. A man was driving his car at night, but he had to stop his car because in front of him was a woman sitting in the middle of the road on the main highway. No one knows who she was. In this amazing video, it can be seen that the police are also trying to remove this woman. But this woman stretches out her arms to tell them to move away. This woman was a magician or something else. However, this video is very strange. This last incident got very famous in 1999. A man was driving his car and he saw many people on the road wearing black suits, and they were holding briefcases and they were running around. It was a dark forest around, and the fire can also be seen nearby. At last, a strange man can be seen wearing a terrible mask on his face. No one could understand what it was at that time, but there is an explanation to this video, that a singer shot this video to promote his album. However, this video still seems very strange.